Hi guys, welcome you all to the Devops Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another Kodekloud engineer task. I am here on my Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/login. Hit enter. I directly got this task UI because I auto saved my password. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those credentials, you will also get the same screen just like me. Today we will see how to create files on app servers using Ansible task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read what the task is, then we will see how to solve it. The Nautilus DevOps team is testing various Ansible modules and servers in Stratos DC. They are currently focusing on file creation and remote host using Ansible. Here are the details. Create an inventory file, playbook/inventory on jump host and include all app servers. Create a playbook.yml to create a blank file at home/appdata.txt on all app servers. Set the permission of /home/appdata.txt file to 0777. Ensure the user or group owner of the /home/appdata.txt file is Tony on app server 1, Steve on app server 2 and Banner on app server 3. Note: validation will execute the playbook using the command ansible-playbook-i inventory playbook.yml. So ensure the playbook functions correctly without any additional arguments. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ మన టాస్క్ ఏంటంటే ఒక ఇన్వెంటరీ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంట, అందులో ఆల్ యాప్ సర్వర్స్ ఉంచాలంట. అండ్ సెకండ్ ఏంటంటే ఒక ప్లేబుక్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఆ ప్లేబుక్లో ఒక బ్లాంక్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలంట. సో ఆ ప్లేబుక్లో ఒక బ్లాంక్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసి ఆ బ్లాంక్ ఫైల్ వచ్చేసి ఆల్ యాప్ సర్వర్స్లో ఉండాలంట. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడైతే ఆ బ్లాంక్ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేసిన టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్, ఆ టెక్స్ట్ ఫైల్కి ఈ పర్మిషన్స్ ఉండాలంట, 0777 పర్మిషన్స్. అండ్ ఆల్సో యూజర్ ఆర్ గ్రూప్ ఓనర్ వచ్చేసి లెట్స్ యాప్ సర్వర్ అనుకో టోనీ ఉండాలంట, యాప్ సర్వర్ 2కి అయితే స్టీవ్ ఉండాలంట, యాప్ సర్వర్ 3కి అయితే బ్యానర్ ఉండాలంట. ఓకే, నౌ వీఆర్ ఇన్ ది జంప్ పోస్ట్. We need all app server details, right? So let me click on this details of all users and servers button here on top right. We do vi and copy this path, copy, paste it here, hit enter. Now press I, stapp01, or else let me group all the app servers, app_servers. These are the list of app servers, and then stapp01 ansible_host equals to, copy the first host IP, paste it here, ansible_user equals to Tony, ansible_password equals to, copy the password of Tony user, paste it here. Do same way for other 2 app servers also. stapp02 ansible_host equals to say 172.16.238.11. Ansible_user equals to Steve, ansible_password equals to, this is the password. Let me copy, paste it here, enter. stapp03 Ansible_host equals to 172.16.238.12 Ansible underscore user equals to banner Ansible underscore password equals to copy this password, paste it here. Now press escape :X. Okay, now it is saved and exited. Now let me create a playbook. VI. For that, let me do ls-la. Okay, we need to go to playbook, right? Okay, VI, paste it, enter. Now we have to create a playbook to create a blank file, null observers. Okay, let me give 3 dashes, which means we are writing a document hyphen name, what is this playbook is all about, create a blank file and permissions to it, then host all. So we need to keep that file in all the hosts, then become yes, we are running this playbook as a root user, and then tasks. Okay, hyphen name, create a blank file and set permissions. Okay, that is fine. Then we have Ansible.built-in.file module Ansible. Let me click on here. Let's see, come bottom. Example, if we see how we have to build the file and what is the permissions we have to give, how to give the permissions, how to create the symbolic link, all data is here. Now let me take it as reference, built-in.file, and then I need to give path. So where we need to create, this is the path, copy, paste it here, and then state as such, and then permissions we have to give, right? File permissions, that is 0777. Create 0777 and then user double quotes, and then now in our case we are having inventory file we are having, right? So Ansible underscore user. Okay, let's say if this playbook is executing on app server 1, then that app server 1 user has become the user of it. Okay, and group 1 also same. Let me type group also same thing. I need to give space here. Ansible underscore user. Okay, these 2 flower brackets means we are calling some Ansible variable. So in Ansible, in order to call variables, we use these 2 flower brackets. Okay, I think we are good. We created an inventory file, we created a playbook, we created a permissions, and then we created user or group. Okay, I think we are good. Let me click on escape :X, enter. Before running playbook, let me log into any one of the app server. SSH Tony is the username, st app01 is the server name. Hit enter, type yes, go here, copy this password of Tony user, paste it here, hit enter. Now let me go to cd/home ls-la. See here, we don't have app-data.txt. Okay, now let me go here in the terminal 1. I am here on jump host. Let me run this playbook, copy, paste it, enter. Oh sorry, I need to go to cd playbook and then it executed here. So our playbook is in the playbook folder, so I need to come here, then execute. Oh, some mistake is here. Create a blank file and set permissions. Misspelling, we did some misspelling, indicates as a misspelling. Okay, let me see our playbook. Name, host, become, task, Ansible. Okay, here you see Ansible we have to give, but some typo is here. Now we hit enter, come here, let me press I, it is Ansible. Okay, now escape, colon, X, enter. Now again run the playbook. Now it is executing. See, on all app server 3. Oh, something is again missed. Parameters, Ansible built-in file module, user supported parameters include diff pic. Oh, sorry, we need to type owner, so I did mistake here. Instead of owner I gave something user, so I'm not supposed to give it. Let me change it. I have to change the user, so owner. Okay, let me remove this user and type owner, escape, X, enter. Now run the playbook again. It should work now. Let's see. It worked. Now let me go to this terminal to check ls-la. Here you see, now we have app.data.txt. Earlier it was not there. Okay, see permissions also, read, write, execute, that means 4, 2, 6 and plus 1, 7. Read, write, execute. See, we have 0777, right? So this is what it is. Now let me log into other 2 servers also and verify it. SSH, type SSH, username is Steve @ server name is stapp02. Hit enter, type yes, go here, copy the password, paste it here, hit enter. Now go to cd/home, ls-la. Here you see app data. Okay, user is Steve and group is Steve. Okay, now same way let me log into other server, that is app server 3. SSH banner is the username and stapp03 is the server name. Type yes, go here, copy the password, paste it, enter. cd/home, ls-la. See, banner is the username, banner is the group, and the permissions, read, write, execute, read, write, execute, read, write, execute. Okay, we are good. Now let me click on this check button so that we can validate our task. Click on confirm. System is validating our task, so just wait for a minute. Yeah, we did it correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with another learning. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.